Alright, what's going on, guys? Today I'm going to be bringing you a quick video on how to repaint your windshield wiper arms. You can see, got Z right behind me. Alright, anyways, yeah, that's what I'm going to be showing you guys today. I should have already showed you the close-up, or I'm going to be showing it to you right now. And yeah, the reason why I'm doing it is just because they look a little cracked and old. I just want to give it like a new touch-up finish, you know? But alright, let's go ahead and get to the video right now. Alright, so the first step you're going to want to do is you're just going to want to go ahead and put some tape right here. And you're going to line up the blade with the tape. The reason being, you're going to do it on the other side as well. You're just going to want to go ahead and put once you reposition it and put it back in, once we take it out, you're going to want to make sure you put it in the same exact spot. So that's why I use the tape. It's just kind of like a guideline. So now we're going to move on to the next step, is taking off the bolts. The one right there and the one on the other side. So let's get to it. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and take these little caps off. You're just gonna mess with them. It should come off pretty easy. So let's see. I can just snap this. There we go. The other side doesn't have one, just because it was probably old and flew off. But the next thing is we'll go ahead and remove those bolts. So let me get a good position for this. Alright, so the easiest way to pull this out, went ahead and did was just lift up the wiper itself. Let me show you. It did get a little close. I put some gloves on. So lift the wiper up itself and just start jerking it right here and try to put some pressure on it. On the back side, just jerk it back and forth. Boom. There we go. That one is out. Alright, so what we're going to do next is we're just going to go ahead and scuff them a little bit just to get some of that paint material off. And then I labeled mine left and right, so I know which one goes back on which. So you can do whatever you prefer. Let's just scuff them a little. Alright, so let's compare the two real quick. So the one on the left is the one that I've sanded so far. The one on the right is what it looks like, you know, non-sanded. So let's go ahead and sand the other one. I'm not going to show that one just because you did see that one sanded. And we'll skip straight to the painting. Alright, what I'm using is some 2K Rust-Oleum. This is paint and primer. And the first coat, you're going to go pretty light. And then we'll go heavy with it. So make sure you shake up your can really good too, so. Let's hit the other one. There we go, first coat. Successful. Let it dry for a little bit and then we'll hit it with another coat. We'll get right back to it. Right here we're going to clear them. Our last step. It's not really a necessary step, but help protect it from the outside elements. As you can see, they look a lot better now. Waited some in between time. So let's give them this quick little coat. Same thing, Rust-Oleum. Here's a final product of what they look like. Let me just give it a quick wipe down so you can see it's just started to rain. Doesn't surprise me. Look at those. They look practically brand new. Let's get to the other side over here. See how this one looks. Let me clear off this one. Clear it all. Come on. Just one coat of clear. But yeah. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video. That was the repaint of the wiper arm blades. Wiper arm blades can range in between about like 15 bucks to 30 a piece. Using the materials that I had, sandpaper and scuff pad and some paint. Clear wasn't really necessary, but I still put it on there just for that extra protection. Maybe run you maybe about like, the materials maybe like 20 bucks. So with that being said, you guys saved some money. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed it, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you later. Peace.